I watched a really good video of Jill Konrath interviewing Tom Morris. There are links in the interview below. At one point in the interview, Tom talks about the Greek mythological story of Pandora's box. If you're not familiar with it, Pandora was given a box by Zeus on her wedding day. He told her never to open it. However, Pandora was created to be curious. She probably would have been a good salesperson. Pandora eventually opened the box, releasing evils like sickness, death, poverty, and sadness into the world. The evils were shaped like tiny buzzing moths that stung Pandora. As that was happening, she slammed the lid shut. The only thing that remained in the box was hope. I talk to and read the stories of struggling founders and all kinds of people trying to make a difference in their world. A lot of things they face are out of their control, but there's one thing that's always in our control: hope. Desmond Tutu, one of the world's most prominent spiritual leaders and someone who faced enormous challenges in his life, was able to describe hope as being able to see that there is light despite all of the darkness. If you want success in anything, you must believe you can do it, and you must have hope that everything will turn out for the best. When the chaos surrounds you, step away, pause, develop an action plan to keep moving forward, and you'll keep hope alive. We all have that power. And remember, you didn't come this far to only come this far. So here's your action item and mission, should you decide to accept it. Facing some tough issues that got you down? Think the world is coming apart at the seams? Who doesn't? Stop, reflect, and put your action plan together. Sharing these ideas is something you can do to be a center for hopefulness. Please reshare this post and help all of us find the strength to flourish like we were meant to. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Thank you for watching. Have a really rewarding week, and I'll see you next time.